Ready to boost your sales and keep your customers coming back for more? Let's dive into how to create and use promotional codes in Stripe. Step by step. First, log into your Stripe account. Next, navigate to the Products tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the products you've created. Select the product you want to add a promotional code to. Click on the product name to open its details. Now, find and click on the Promotions tab within the Product Details page. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create Promotion Code button to start setting up your discount. Fill in the required fields. Choose a code your customers will recognize, like Summer Tool or Welcome 10. Select your discount type, either a percentage or a fixed amount. Then, specify the discount amount. Under Restrictions, you can set limitations like the number of times the code can be used or the expiry date. These are great for time-sensitive offers. Once you've customized your promotion code, click the Save or Create button. Congratulations, your promotion is now live. Your customers can now enter this code at checkout to redeem their discount. Use these tips to increase sales and build customer loyalty with strategic promotions.